Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to, I will try to show you how to make a line chart and for your applications for your visualizing of data. So yes, here I've made an application. Well, I made the core side, the core content of an application with everything you need as a basis for creating a line chart object, which you need an stage object. You need an stage. Here you have stage. You have the stage. You need a pane or a border pane. For that you will have to place the content of the chart. You need such component to get the content there, and then you need an scene. That's the main thing you need. You just need that. Okay, so now I created a method that will return an object. Well, this method actually will return as so can create. It's quite slow, so yeah, it looks like the computer is quite overloaded. So I will write the method and I will stop recording my face at 3 minutes. Okay. So paint art. So yes, for that I need to line charts. Line charts is a class that mainly does maybe need line chart. It's basically of three components, which is the line chart, which is the plot area, line chart here, new line chart. New line chart. We'll select that. Yes, new line chart. And this line chart has two parameters, number, which means the x-axis and the next axis on the y-axis. So yes, that's how I created the line chart itself. Okay, So yes, here I have to import it. I have to, yes, I have to import here. Import JavaFX chart. Well, I think I will use the wildcard because I'm not sure which packages. Yes, online chart, non-new. So number access, case access, new number access. Yeah. So yeah, here shows up this stage. Usually there was a background image, but this time by some error it doesn't show up anymore. So yeah, it had as well. Okay, let's see if now the computer is a bit less overloaded. So yes, number axis, the axis. So here I'm creating the axis as well. Now I had to yes, it was, let me see. I told you I had a creative one now here. Yes, just hold on a second, please, while I find the other I made. Sometimes this, yes, I have one. I created one here. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah. Line chart number, new line chart, yes. Yeah, so you have to first to create the number axis, because the line chart, what does is to line chart, the use for line chart is needs takes as parameters an x-axis and a y-axis. Yeah. Yes. And new line chart number, exactly a data, yes. So yeah, here we are, line chart, x-axis, new x-axis. So yes, so x, y, Yes, exactly. Exactly. You need a data series. Exactly. So this is mainly the how to say the body of the chart. This is where the data will go in the x-axis and the y-axis and the line chart itself, which is the object. Now we created it, so now we have to make the data sets to be plotted. So, and for that we need to create a XY series. XY series. XY series. XY chart series number, yeah. XY series, XY chart. Number. Data series. New XY chart series. Now we are creating the object. Yeah. Here I think we don't need to write again the parameters because they are already here declared. So okay, yeah, this is the data series. So yeah, mainly we have to create the data series. Now we need to keep on adding this number I made. And yes, we created the line chart. Yes, we created the line chart. So the pane is created, but you know what? I will change the return type of this method to this, because we need to keep on adding data to this data series. So this method will itself return the data set, but as we will keep on adding data, keep on creating data, we will need the data series object to be accessible for the data to keep on being added. So now we are gonna make the chart to get the content. Yeah. As well, you can set a title for line chart. In this case, moving population over time. But no, I think I will better make it return the yes. I will make the method to return the pane, and then I will just create a new one to show you guys how to pane. Now I'm creating the pane. Of the new pane of the line charts. Here we can just instantiate it inside. We don't have to write get children or something else, just and then return pan. Then return p. Yes. Okay, so that is just this. Return pane, yes. Okay. So yeah. Here we are going to create an static variable, and yeah, we will create an static double, which we will create a static double population. And we'll create as well an static list. Static list double pop history. And instead of making this thing, well, it's actually, but yes, instead of, yeah, we will make it to population. Instead of returning nothing, we don't need it to return nothing. Population is the same as, we don't need to make it return anything. And yeah, we will just make that population will be this, and then just add to the list of records of history. Add population. Yes, and yeah, we will surround this with for int null frame 0 e. let's say 900 units. UI plus plus. So basically, what are we doing now is to generate data. Yeah, so we are just generating the data. In another video, I will show you how to create a line chart from a dataset. Yeah. So yes, then I have. So yeah, we are going to create, of course, a button. We create a button launcher. Launch new button. Launch chart. Yes. Launch chart. Launch. Set layout. X 300. Yes. Launch. Set layout. Y 200. Yeah. Which is more or less at the top center of the page. Yes. So yeah. It goes quite overload, I'm sorry. But yeah, so okay, and we can just call this method now. So that before our dataset is created. Yes. Evolution over time. Evolution. And we will say that we have 98,000 muffins in our population, in our environment, which muffins are puffin muffin, which is a beautiful bird, which can be seen in Iceland. Yeah. So yeah, so by calling it here, we have already the data generated and is in our list. The population. If I have written good, if I have written good, I cannot believe I wrote it. Damn it. I've erased it. Damn it. Yes, I will just copy. Wait a moment. Yes, I wrote. I erased it immediately. Yeah. I'm gonna copy. Yes, copy. Now content with the button. And yes, so as we have already as we have already the data created, now we just can place that list as an argument here. This double list, yeah, and for double between yeah for int t 0 e shorter than the list size e plus plus just data series get data add list get y new xy char yeah chart data new xy chart data the integer number. This is the most simple without this is the most simple data without timestamps. Then later you can as well add timestamps to it. Maybe I will show you in the next video how you can do it. So yeah, and I think I'm not missing nothing. yeah, data new x one data series get data. Yeah, I'm missing an argument. Yeah, so yeah, so here you can see that here is an eye and here is another eye. Just this is because this is the x-axis. This is the x-axis where you can add a timestamp from JSON. Imagine you have seconds in long format and you want to add it to the chart. So here you can add it to the chart. Yeah, so if I've already all imports created, yeah, station. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so for this you have to import JavaFX and charts, XY chart, yes. But as here JavaFX and charts have imported all static methods with the wildcard, it should be enough. Here it should be enough with it. Now we'll see when we launch the program. Yes. So I had the chart created. I have the dataset created. Now I'm gonna make the launch set on action. That when then when one presses the button disappears. Get children. Remove launch. And yes, pane chart new. Yeah, create line chart. And yes, pop history is our list. Pop history is our list. Yeah. Create line chart. Pop history. Pen check, create line chart, yes. And content. We set the layout for the chart. The layout for the chart. Set layout. Well, actually, it's just better and stack pane for that. Stack pane. Yeah, charge and layout way. We made some padding. Yeah. And the content to add the chart. Get children. Chart. Yeah. So, alright, okay, yeah, that's great. It was great. As well, we are gonna wrap this in a thread to make sure that the application does all the given orders and doesn't miss any. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so now we can run this. Now we can run this. If we haven't written everything good, if there is not a number of exemplars, yeah, this function, for history, yeah, void, this is a void, yeah, this is a void method, public static void, let's see, stack and create line chart, yeah, I think it's quite good. We've not, yeah, I think it could be compiled. Yeah, let's try. And so here I have created a batch file. This batch file, what does is to compile this code. We compile this code we have already written and see how it goes. Yeah, here we see that it's empty, and this happens because we forgot here to we have this is not well written. Content get children. Here we have missed get children. So it has not added. So yeah, here we have it, our object. Basically I had some compilation problems. I forgot here to write an I. Here there was an issue with the title. So I erased it, and I forgot to import these objects, the list and the array list and the stack pane. I forgot to import it. So now let's see what happens when I press the button. Yeah, here is the data plot. So yeah, it worked. Here we have our data plotted. But yes, but it's not quite our expected result. We expected a more nice layout, and for erase such points, we have to write here in the data series that here this is the data series data series set link set tick set create symbols and set create symbols false, so that there are no such points there. Set create symbols false, yes. And well, we are gonna make y-axis, the x-axis, set style. We try to fx text. Let's see, this is x-axis, set style, x-axis, fx style, fx text field. White, and text field, and the same for the y-axis. Y-axis. Y-axis to be as well. And also we had some struggle with the start pane was too little. So yes, we are gonna make the chart to have. We'll make here the chart and the pane to have a bigger size, so we can see it better. Set pref width. (580) and chart set pref height. Well, here we will set 780, and here height of 506. Was all. I hope you liked the video. It was useful for you. So in the next time I will show you how to make a plot from a dataset that you have already written. Like you write databases with time and your data, for instance, and you want to visualize that data. I will show you how to do it. And then I will show you as well how to put timestamps in the video, in the chart. And I can show you as well how to add more datasets to the chart, how to customize it so that it's nice to see it. So yeah, thank you so much for seeing this video and see you next time. Bye.